So in this question, we have calcium fluoride, and we have the total mass of the calcium fluoride sample, and then we have the amount of mass of just the calcium that's within this calcium fluoride, and we want to know how much by mass of calcium would be in 45 grams. So in other words, we have this 15-gram sample of calcium fluoride. 7.7 grams of that 15 is calcium. Well, what if we increase the amount of the calcium fluoride by 45 grams? How much in grams will the calcium be then? And what you need to know about this is calcium is Ca2 plus, and fluoride is going to be F minus, and this is going to be an ionic bond. And so ionic bonds are going to be between a metal and a non-metal most of the time. And what you want to do is you want to cross these charges down, and that's going to be Ca, and we have one of those because there's a 1 right here for the negative charge. So we have one calcium atom, and then we have this F here for the fluoride, and we're actually going to have two of those because this 2 will come down here. And so what you need to know about this is going to be the empirical formula. This will be empirical. And an empirical formula, that's going to be the smallest reduced version. And so you can never have calcium fluoride in any other ratio other than a 1 to 2. And so what you need to know about this is that the percent of each atom, the percent of each atom or each type of atom by mass will be constant. So it will be constant. And so what we can do here is say, what is the percentage of Ca that we have in this sample right here that's got 15 grams and 7.7 grams of calcium. So the total is going to be 15. So I'm going to put over 15 for the total. And then we have 7.7 grams of the calcium. And so if we do that times 100, we'll get the percent of the calcium. So that's going to be 51.3% by mass of the Ca. And so now what we can do is say, well, what's this new total going to be if we have out of 45 grams this time? And this is what we don't know up here. This can be like our x value. And if we times by 100, we're still going to get that same 51.3% for this calcium. So when we solve this equation for x, where we end up, or if we do some algebra rather, we can get that this is going to be 0.513. So let's divide each side by 100, and that's going to equal x over 45. And so we solve this for x, and we're going to get x is going to be 23.1 grams. So this will be the amount in grams of calcium that we can expect to find if we have 45 grams of this calcium fluoride.